Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So Mtombeni goes out with a friend yakhe just nje to shayela moya and catch up and talk about amakhosikazi wakhe, because what else can they talk about? Amakhosikazi wakhe. Umakhwela goes out to tennis court wearing my leggings. Is it leggings? With a jacket overlapping. With the jacket overlapping, it's not outside. I think that's what she meant with that jacket. Langashisa kangaka overlapping. And Unombela manages to get hold of Umakumalo and achume amtshele umlayezo that Umtombeni gave her to give Umakumalo. Bayizwa ke leyo nto. Sanibona. Umtombeni goes out to play golf with one of his friends, and a conversation starts with him saying that as a nation, they saw how Umtombeni's wives were treating him when he was sick. And for the fact that they said that Umtombeni was pretending to be sick, that's what got to them. Because Yena, he saw Umtombeni trying everything that he can for his wife. He saw Umtombeni giving his wife makhaya. He saw Umtombeni loving his wife. He saw Umtombeni buying cars for his wives. Nami madoda, they don't do that. I'm asking myself, because if you want a stembu, you should be able to afford it. And for the fact that he gives them tindlu and all that, angithi ustate oba indoda yabo wabalobola funa indlu ucedzeke ibiye kubani. Like honestly, manje he's making it seem like Umtombeni was doing a favor for Bafat back for them having houses. Okay, how does it happen and for people who are married? Just a question. Is it between you and your husband, or him saying that this is what I can provide for you? Ayibo, uthi ubhuti yena Umtombeni uneabafazi indlu, imoto, thando and manje but we are pretend Maragula, the way they were treating him the time he was sick, and the fact that uthi whatever it is that Umtombeni did to Umakhumalo that made Umakhumalo be in so much pain that she even forgot indzawo yakhe as a wife, because Umakhumalo was coming around kahle kamnandi until figure number 5. So yeah, according to him, he feels like Umakhumalo imhethile lento, and it hurt her so much to the point whereby she was like, angisakhoni ukwenzani. Kodwa Umtombeni was like, Umakhumalo, I mean, the only thing I felt like hurt my feelings wakhe regarding his situation Makwela is the fact that Makwela was from the side Leliana she was from. And I made it clear because the reason why I took Makwela from the side Leliana is because of inhlonipho that she has for me. Yabona, the way she behaves, the way she carries herself. So ngathi jawu sometimes abantu abalekele goods. They all behave like that. And then told Makwela. Turns out Makwela didn't want that. You understand? And now uthi his friend that Umakhumalo is hating Umtombeni uthi Umakhumalo is not hating. Umakhumalo is just because things don't go the way and afuna ukuthi sihambe ngakhona, and this is why she's behaving this way. Hayibo but. And Umayeni has been disrespectful towards him since he was sick, saying that he was pretending. And kunalana bathi bazi bambitanga uyabona manje, because Umayeni was saying a lot of things to him, and then he was busy saying uyabona manje, uyabona manje. People even call him that man. And Umseleku says that yena he feels like Bafat bakhe even emakibo, like from where they're from, Wakhumalo, Wayeni, Waban. He feels like akunabantu abadala, because if there were bantu abadala, they should have called umakhosikazi wakhe and told them what they shouldn't treat husband yakhe kanjalo. Okay, right. If family yasekhaya kabomfazi wakhe, how does they enter now? Kwakhumalo baba involved kanjani? Because you guys have been married for how many years? Namanje safuna sepa involved in your business. Imagine being married for 25 years and then we come to tell you, so you shouldn't treat your husband like this. Does that make sense? Kodwa for Umtombeni, I feel like Umangwabo was saying the truth when she said that Umtombeni has a way of when things with you mhlambi tingahambi kahle, if you guys don't agree with each other, if you don't agree with whatever it is that he's doing and you don't want to go with that, umthombeni has a way of making it look like vele wena uhlonga ndlebe lokucana ukugcina vele wena you've been bad, you are the bad apple amongst everyone. Makhwela naye bathi umthombeni should make sure ukuthi he pays ilobola and take umntanakhe from kwakhwela, because he said that he wants to build a family yakabani, yakamseliku, not yakwakhwela. And manje ubaby Matt ukhula kuphi, kakhwela. Usisi uyabuza ukuthi, so what about the 3 Musketeers? Hayibo, they even have a name for them. Girl is like, he's been waiting to be on TV, guys. I'm sorry, girl is like, she's been waiting to be there and make sure ukuthi vele namakhosikazi lawo they're gonna get like, uyabona kushisa nje ngizobafakela bona, we've been waiting these people for so many years manje nyalo like, hayibo girl wangena ushisela kangaka, even mina kade wenza kashiseli kangaka, why? So yazi ngiyabaziswela, because you're not going anywhere. What if Umakwela gets tired and she wants to go? But how do you know that she's not going anywhere? I feel like the beef is too much, and she shouldn't be involving herself because it's not her business. Umakwela, she has like a disrespectful side when, but ungaphose uyampressa man. If umpressa umuntu who has a disrespectful side, feels like it's right for them to be disrespectful towards other people. And she's trying to say, hi, sizobona, isilonda sasenyuma, mhlambe they'll get over it, they will understand. She's like, no, it's been 7 years, these people have been waiting for to see number 5. It's not like it just happened overnight, so they should get over it. And hayibo, umshado walabanye abantu, hayibo Kelly, don't be too talking on other people's business. Yayibona, Makhumalo met with uMangwabe so that they can talk about situation. I'm sorry guys, flu, yo, I'm sorry. Situation, yeah, Mangwabe, she was sent by Babu Mseliku to relay a message to Makhumalo. Makhumalo says that she's been sick since the last season. She's been in and out esibhedlela. She had a depression. She couldn't eat for over 2 weeks. She was like in a very, very bad situation, and like some things happened and she decided to, you know what, for me to be okay, I need to take like some measures, which is why part of that was her blocking Umtombin, because Umtombin was saying a lot of things and she was sick and she didn't tell anyone because she didn't want to worry anyone of the wives. But Umtombeni knew that Umakhumalo was sick and it was esibhedlela, and she was being like getting in and out esibhedlela and all that, and she was fighting depression because she felt like last season Umtombeni was more off against yena, so it was too much for her to handle. And she decided to block him. And Umakwa was like, that's where I was going. Why did you block him? Because he says that, he didn't know that the cars were all like everyone was getting a car, including our last born. And he didn't know that. Umakhumalo was like, you know what? Umtombeni has a way of forgetting things, or electricity up here, because I had a conversation with him and Umtombeni said that he didn't know that it was all in or nothing, which means they're getting 5 or 6 cars instead of Umakhumalo getting one. I don't know if she didn't get a car or kule brand deal yakhe, someone that naye bangavisisani who was included naye, because Umakhumalo has been working so hard. And manje Umtombeni says that he doesn't understand why Umakhumalo is acting like this, as if akasizi ngalutho kumbhilda what. Umakhumalo is like, I don't understand why he says that, because Uma Atsena, he doesn't know that I was a brand ambassador. What does he mean? If he says that he doesn't know that I am the one who arranged this thing, what does he mean? Guys, taking us back to a different season where Umsele was telling Umakhumalo that uyabonga, Umakhumalo was holding him down. Uyabonga that Umakhumalo akayicabangeli yena yedwana. When she gets these deals, uyaba include nalabalami bafat. Everyone was getting a new car back then. in that season where Umtombeni was saying uyabonga kuMakhumalo for not being greedy and thinking of herself alone. You understand? But now utshela uMbali ukuthi yena he didn't know that uMakhumalo was a brand. I feel like Umtombeni has a way of forgetting things or saying ukuthi okay, what happened this season? Better like the season the next season I will say whatever it is to save my skin. If lo udecide ukuba a bad person ngizomjikela nje and say everything that I said was a play and fun.